back to Learn Afrikaans with Lexorial. If this is your first time listening, a very warm welcome. I'm Nerika and I'm here to help you understand Afrikaans and speak it with confidence, one practical lesson at a time. If you enjoy learning with me, remember to follow the podcast so that you don't miss a new episode. And if you have a moment, leaving a rating or a review is a simple way to support the podcast and help more Afrikaans learners find it. Now, wherever you are, get comfortable, listen closely, and remember, don't be afraid to speak aloud and make mistakes. Is jy gereed? Are you ready? Kom ons begin. This is the fifth episode in our Beginner Afrikaans series. In the previous episode, you learned how to introduce your family, friends, and other important people. Today, we're going to say a little more about those people. You'll learn how to describe what someone looks like and what they are like as a person. By the end of the episode, you'll be able to say that someone is tall, short, young, or old. You'll be able to talk about their hair and eyes, and you'll learn useful personality words such as friendly, funny, quiet, and hardworking. As always, you don't need to memorize a long list of separate words. We'll use the vocabulary in complete Afrikaans sentences that you can borrow and adapt. Let's begin with a short conversation between Anna and Ben. Anna is showing Ben a photograph of her family. For now, just listen and see how much you understand. Wie is die vrou langs jou? Dit is my suster, Emma. Hoe lyk sy? Sy is lank en sy het lang bruin hare. Sy lyk baie vriendelik. Ja, sy is baie vriendelik. Sy is ook snaaks en geselserig. En wie is die man met die bril? Dit is my pa. Hy is stil, maar baie geduldig. Let's listen once more, a little more slowly. Wie is die vrou langs jou? Dit is my suster Emma. Hoe lyk sy? Sy is lank en sy het lang bruin hare. Sy lyk baie vriendelik. Ja, sy is baie vriendelik. Sy is ook snaaks en geselserig. En wie is die man met die bril? Dit is my pa. Hy is stil, maar baie geduldig. You may already have recognized several words from the previous episode, including wie is, who is. Dit is my sister. This is my sister. And dit is my pa. This is my father. Now let's learn how to add a description. Let's begin with 4 simple words that describe a person. The Afrikaans word for tall is lank. You can say hy is lank. He is tall. Say it with me. Hy is lank. For a woman, you can say sy is lank. She is tall. The word for short is kort. Hy is kort. He is short. Or sy is kort. She is short. Remember that hy means he and sy means she. Now choose either lank or kort and describe someone you know. Hy is or sy is. The word for young is jonk. Listen and repeat. Sy is jonk. She's young. And the word for old is oud. Hy is oud. He is old. When you're talking about a person, calling them oud can sound quite direct. You may hear Afrikaans speakers use it casually, but you should still consider the context and the person you are describing. A gentler expression is hy is ouer, he is older, or sy is ouer, she is older. For now, let's practice the four basic words. Lank, kort, jonk, oud. Complete one sentence about a real or invented person. Hy is or sy is. Good. You've already created a complete description. Now let's describe someone's hair. The Afrikaans word for hair is hare. To say that someone has brown hair, you can say sy het bruin hare. She has brown hair. Listen and repeat. Sy het bruin hare. For blonde hair, say sy het blonde hare. She has blonde hair. For black hair, sy het swart hare. She has black hair. And for red hair, sy het rooi hare. She has red hair. You can also describe the length of someone's hair. Long hair is lang hare. Short hair is kort hare. Listen to the complete sentences. Sy het lang hare. She has long hair. Hy het kort hare. He has short hair. You can combine the length and the color. Sy het lang bruin hare. She has long brown hair. Say it with me. Sy het lang bruin hare. Or hy het kort swart hare. He has short black hair. Now describe someone's hair. Begin with hy het or sy het. Next, let's talk about eyes. The Afrikaans word for eyes is oë. The word is spelled with just an O followed by an E, but the E has two dots above it. These dots tell us to pronounce the O and the E separately. Oë. Try it with me. Oë. You can say, sy het blou oë. She has blue eyes. Hy het bruin oë. He has brown eyes. Sy het groen oë. She has green eyes. Now describe someone's eyes. Hy het or sy het. Excellent. Let's add a few more useful details. The Afrikaans word for glasses is bril. Although we use the plural word glasses in English, Afrikaans normally refers to it as one object, bril. To say that someone wears glasses, you can say, hy dra 'n bril. He wears glasses. Listen and repeat. Hy dra 'n bril. Or sy dra 'n bril. She wears glasses. The word for beard is baard. You can say, hy het 'n baard. He has a beard. For a mustache, we say snor. Hy het 'n snor. He has a mustache. You can also talk about someone's smile. The Afrikaans word for smile is glimlag. A beautiful smile is 'n mooi glimlag. You can say, sy het 'n mooi glimlag. She has a beautiful smile. Listen and repeat. Sy het 'n mooi glimlag. Let's hear the complete sentences again. Hy dra 'n bril. Hy het 'n baard. Hy het 'n snor. Sy het 'n mooi glimlag. Now choose one detail and use it to describe someone. Good. Notice that we've used two different verbs. We use het for has. Hy het 'n baard. And we use dra for wears. Hy dra 'n bril. Borrow the complete patterns and you won't need to translate each individual word while you speak. Now let's learn how to ask about someone's appearance. The question is, hoe lyk hy? What does he look like? Listen and repeat. Hoe lyk hy? When you are asking about a woman, you say, hoe lyk sy? What does she look like? The word like means look or appear. Be careful not to translate the English question word by word. In English, we ask, what does she look like? In Afrikaans, we ask, hoe lyk sy? The question begins with who, which normally means how. Learn the complete question as one useful pattern. Hoe lyk sy? You could answer, sy is lank en sy het bruin hare. She's tall and she has brown hair. Say the complete answer with me. Sy is lank en sy het bruin hare. Let's practice. I'm going to ask about a man. Hoe lyk hy? You could talk about his height, hair, eyes, glasses, or facial hair. Hoe lyk hy? Good. Now I'll ask about a woman. Hoe lyk sy? Excellent. You don't need to mention everything about the person. One or two natural details are enough. So far, we've described what people look like. Now let's talk about what they are like as people. The Afrikaans word for friendly is vriendelik. You can say, sy is vriendelik. She is friendly. Listen and repeat. Sy is vriendelik. The word for funny is snaaks. Hy is snaaks. He is funny. Be aware that snaaks can also mean strange or odd. The context and the way the word is used will usually make the meaning clear. If you say, hy vertel altyd grappies, hy is baie snaaks. He always tells jokes, he is very funny. The meaning is clear. The word for quiet is still. Sy is still. She's quiet. A person who enjoys talking can be described as geselserig. This literally suggests that the person likes to chat. Hy is geselserig. He is talkative or enjoys chatting. Listen and repeat. Hy is geselserig. The word for patient is geduldig. Sy is baie geduldig. She's very patient. And hardworking is hardwerkend. Hy is hardwerkend. He is hardworking. Let's hear the personality words again. Vriendelik, snaaks, stil, geselserig, geduldig, hardwerkend. Now choose two words to describe someone you know. Begin with hy is or sy is. Very good. Now let's combine two descriptions. You already know the word en. It means and. You can say sy is vriendelik en geduldig. She is friendly and patient. Listen and repeat. Sy is vriendelik en geduldig. Or hy is snaaks en geselserig. He's funny and talkative. You also know the word maar. It means but. You can use maar when the second quality contrasts with the first. Hy is stil, maar baie vriendelik. He is quiet but very friendly. Say it with me. Hy is stil, maar baie vriendelik. Or sy is jonk, maar baie geduldig. She's young but very patient. Another useful little word is ook. It means also. You can say, sy is vriendelik. Sy is ook baie snaaks. She's friendly. She's also very funny. Listen and repeat. Sy is vriendelik. Sy is ook baie snaaks. Let's put appearance and personality together. Hy is lank en hy het kort bruin hare. Hy is stil, maar baie vriendelik. He is tall and he has short brown hair. He is quiet but very friendly. Now listen to a second description. Sy dra 'n bril en sy het groen oë. Sy is snaaks en geselserig. She wears glasses and she has green eyes. She's funny and talkative. Choose someone you know and make 2 sentences about them. In the first sentence, describe their appearance. In the second sentence, describe their personality. Excellent. You are no longer giving only separate words. You are building a meaningful description of a real person. It's time for another listen and steal exercise. I'll give you a complete Afrikaans sentence. You'll borrow the structure and change one part. Here is the first sentence. Sy is lank. Change lank to kort. Sy is kort. Next. Hy het bruin hare. Change bruin to swart. Hy het swart hare. Now listen to sy het lang blonde hare. Change lang to kort. Sy het kort blonde hare. Next. Hy dra 'n bril. Change hy to sy. Sy dra 'n bril. Now listen to sy is vriendelik en geduldig. Change geduldig to hardwerkend. Sy is vriendelik en hardwerkend. Next. Hy is stil, maar baie vriendelik. Change stil to geselserig. Hy is geselserig, maar baie vriendelik. That sentence is grammatically correct, but the word maar no longer creates a useful contrast. A more natural sentence would be, hy is geselserig en baie vriendelik. He is talkative and very friendly. This is an important part of speaking naturally. You can't always change one word without thinking about how the rest of the sentence works. Finally, listen to sy het blou oë en sy is baie snaaks. Change the eye color and personality word to describe someone you know. Very good. You borrowed complete sentence structures, but you also considered whether your new sentence made sense. Let's practice talking about someone you know. You can choose a family member, friend, partner, or an invented person. In the first round, I'll help you with possible answers. Wie is die persoon? Who is the person? You can answer with Dit is my and then add the person's name. Wie is die persoon? Now I'll ask, who like hy? Or who like sy? You can describe the person's height, hair, eyes, or another visible detail. Who like hy of sy? Good. Now describe the person's personality. You can begin with hy is or sy is. Watse soort mens is hy of sy? What kind of person is he or she? Now tell me why this person is important to you. You can use the sentence from episode 4. Hy is baie belangrik vir my. Or sy is baie belangrik vir my. Excellent. Let's do the conversation again. This time, I won't give you the answer structures first. Wie is die persoon? Hoe lyk hy of sy? Watse soort mens is hy of sy? Hoekom is hierdie persoon belangrik vir jou? Why is this person important to you? You can answer with a sentence you already know or simply say, hy is baie belangrik vir my or sy is baie belangrik vir my. Baie goed. You've just introduced and described an important person in Afrikaans. Let's finish with a final challenge. Choose one person you know well. Introduce the person and then give a short description. Try to include who the person is, their name, one or two details about their appearance, two personality traits, and the fact that the person is important to you. Here is an example. Dit is my suster Emma. Sy is lank en sy het lang bruin hare. Sy het groen oë en 'n mooi glimlag. Sy is vriendelik en geselserig. Sy is baie belangrik vir my. Now create your own description. Pause the episode and try it without my help. How did it go? Don't worry if you couldn't remember every word. A useful description doesn't have to be long or complicated. You could simply say, Dit is my vriend Daniel. Hy is lank en hy dra 'n bril. Hy is snaaks en vriendelik. Today you learned how to describe someone's appearance with words such as lank, kort, jonk, and oud. You learned how to talk about hair and eyes. Sy het lang, bruin hare. Hy het blou oë. You can also say, hy dra 'n bril. And you learn several personality words. Vriendelik, snaaks, stil, geselserig, geduldig, and hardwerkend. You can ask about someone's appearance by saying, Hoe lyk hy? Or Hoe lyk sy? Listen to the practice sections again and describe a different person each time. You can even choose a famous person or invent a completely fictional character. In the next beginner episode, we'll learn how to talk about your daily routine and the things you usually do during the day. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Remember, you don't need to speak Afrikaans perfectly. You simply need to keep speaking it. If you would like more help with your Afrikaans, visit lexorial.com, where you'll find practical resources designed to help you understand and speak Afrikaans with confidence. Dankie dat jy geluister het. Thank you for listening. Until next time, hou aan oefen and keep speaking Afrikaans with confidence.